Hello,
Hello, hi
Eric.
Miho. Welcome back.
Yeah,
Yes,
nice to see you again.
nice to see you again too. Good afternoon. So, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Uh,
And you?
yeah, I'm pretty good as well. Thanks for asking. Oh, you have very nice background there.
Sorry?
Yeah, is it your living room? What's that?
Yes, it's my restaurant,
Oh, your restaurant. Wow. You're
and it's also my house. So
Wow, so you're a businesswoman.
uh,
Very good, that's great. Okay, so I can see here you chose pronunciation beginner 21. Is that right?
yes,
And the title is Polar Bears Need Help. Wow. All right, so first let's have a review of the previous lesson, okay?
okay.
All right, so
Uh,
please read the paragraph with emotions, the giant pandas. Okay, please start.
yeah, giant pandas. Giant pandas were endangered. China tried very hard to help the pandas. They helped them have babies. 23 pandas were recently born. They were born at a center in China. This was very good news. People saw the group of pandas. They were very beautiful. Now there are more pandas. They are not endangered anymore.
That's right. Wow, very good. Okay, so now let's move to the main lesson. So let's have the
Yes.
first challenge. Read the paragraph. Okay, are you ready?
Mhm.
All right, please read. The polar bears need help.
Okay. Polar bears need help. Need help. She worries a lot. She worries about the polar bears. They are big, white bears. They live in the north. They need snow. They need ice. They need cold weather. There's too much pollution. Pollution heats up the earth. Heat melts the ice. The ice is the polar bear's home. No ice means no home.
Wow, no ice means no home. Okay. All right, so let's try to practice here words and expressions. Try to pronounce these words below together, okay? All right,
Yes.
let's start with the first one. We have worries.
Worries.
One more time, worries.
Worries.
Okay, very good. Next is polar.
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 North.
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 Weather.
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 Okay, here is pollution.
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 That's right. Heats up.
Heats up.
Heats up.
Heats up.
Earth.
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 Melt.
Melts.
Melt.
Melts.
All right, very good. Okay, so now let's have the second challenge. You're going to read each sentence twice, okay?
Yes.
So we will listen to the audio of each sentence and then practice them one by one. Again, we will practice twice and then we'll try to check pronunciation, accent, intonation, as well as linking sounds. Okay, so let's start with the first sentence. Please listen carefully. It starts now.
Polar bears need help.
Hmm? Okay, very good. One more time.
Polar bears need help.
Bears need help.
Yes, very good. Now let's move to the second sentence. Please listen carefully. Here we go.
She worries a lot.
She worries a lot.
That's right. One more time.
She worries a lot.
Worries a lot.
Yes, let's move to the third sentence. Please listen. Here we go.
She worries about polar bears.
She worries about polar bears.
Yeah, one more time.
She worries about polar bears.
It's about polar bears.
Alright, okay, very good. Let's move to the fourth sentence. Please listen. Here we go.
They are big white bears.
Big white bears.
That's right. One more time.
They are big white bears.
Big white bears.
Very good. Let's move to the fifth sentence. Please listen. Here we go.
They live in the north.
Live in the north.
Yes, one more time.
They live in the north.
In the north.
In the north. Okay, let's have the sixth sentence. Please listen. Here we go.
They need snow.
It is snow.
All right, one more time.
They need snow.
Okay, let's have the seventh sentence. Please listen. Here we go.
They need ice.
One more time.
They need ice.
Ice.
Okay, very good. Let's have the eighth sentence. Here we go.
They need cold weather.
They need cold weather.
One more time.
They need cold weather.
Cold weather.
Very good. Let's have the ninth sentence. Please listen.
There is too much pollution.
There's too much pollution.
Pollution. Okay.
Pollution.
Yes, one more time.
There is too much pollution.
There's too much pollution.
Okay, pollution. Let's move to the 10th sentence. Please listen. Here we go.
Pollution heats up the earth.
Pollution heats up the earth.
Okay, one more time.
Pollution heats up the earth.
Pollution heats up the earth.
Yes, okay, let's have the 11th sentence.
Heat melts the ice.
Ice.
One more time.
Heat melts the ice.
The ice.
Okay, that's great. Let's have the 12th sentence. Here we go.
The ice is the polar bear's home.
The ice is polar bear's home.
That's right. One more time.
The ice is the polar bear's home.
It's polar bear's home.
That's right. Let's have the 13th sentence. Here we go.
No ice means no home.
Ice means no home.
All right. One more time.
No ice means no home.
Means no home.
Yes, very good. Okay, now let's have a third challenge. So we're going to listen to the whole paragraph and then you're going to read the whole paragraph as well. We will also study linking sounds here. Okay, let's start listening to the whole paragraph. Here we go.
Polar bears need help. She worries a lot. She worries about polar bears. They are big white bears. They live in the north. They need snow. They need ice. They need cold weather. There is too much pollution. Pollution heats up the earth. Heat melts the ice. The ice is the polar bear's home. No ice means no home.
Okay, now please read the paragraph. Please start.
Polar bears need help. She worries a lot. She worries about polar bears. They are big white bears. They live in the north. They need snow. They need ice. They need cold weather. There's too much pollution. Pollution heats up the earth. Heat melts the ice. The ice is the polar bear's home. No ice means no hope.
Yes, all right. Okay, just don't forget pollution. Okay, pollution.
Pollution.
Yes, yes. Okay, very good. Now let's try to practice linking sounds. Okay, I will type them in the chat box and then please repeat after me twice. Okay, all right. Let's
Yes.
start with worries about becomes worries about.
What is about?
One more time. Worries about.
What is about?
Okay, let's have the sample sentence. We type it in the chat box. She worries about polar bears.
She worries about polar bears.
Okay, one more time. She worries about polar bears.
She worries about polar bears.
Very good. And next is there is becomes there is.
There is.
There is.
There is.
All right, let's try to apply it in a sentence. There is too much pollution.
There is too much pollution.
Very good. One more time. There is too much pollution.
There's too much pollution.
Mhm. There is. One more time. There is.
There is.
Okay. Next is live in becomes live in.
Living.
Live in.
Living.
All right, let's try to practice it. They live in the north.
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 Very good. Next is worries a lot becomes worries a lot.
Worries a lot.
Worries a lot.
Worries a lot.
Okay, it's the very beginning, the first sentence. So she worries a lot.
She worries a lot.
She worries a lot.
She worries a lot.
Very good. And the last one, we have heats up becomes heat up.
Heat up.
Heat up.
Heat up.
All right, so this is the last sentence. Let's try to apply it. So pollution heats up the earth.
Pollution heat up the earth.
One more time. Pollution heats up the earth.
Pollution heats up the earth.
Yes, very good.